Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Messages, open the conversation you want and type the text or choose a photo. Once you have content, press and hold the blue Send button. This reveals two tabs, Bubble and Screen. Make sure to keep your finger steady. Imessage loads the effect preview immediately. You're doing this to control emphasis and mood. Bubble effects change text delivery, screen effects alter the entire display. Now, slide between Bubble and Screen to see how each option modifies delivery and pick the one that fits your intent. Once the effects panel is visible, choose Bubble to adjust the message tone, loud for emphasis, gentle for subtlety, or invisible ink for a reveal. Alternatively, switch to Screen to trigger full-screen animations like balloons or confetti. These play when the recipient opens the message. Tap any effect to preview. Make sure to review because only the displayed preview will be sent. If you change your mind, tap a different effect or cancel by tapping the X. When satisfied, release the Send button to dispatch the styled message. After previewing, release the Send button to deliver the message with your chosen bubble or screen effect. You'll see a small indicator that an effect was used. Make sure the recipient is on iMessage. Green SMS bubbles won't show these effects. If effects don't appear, ask them to enable iMessage or check your and their iOS updates. Sometimes toggling iMessage off and back on fixes delivery. Finally, if invisible ink persists, instruct the recipient to swipe to reveal. This completes the interaction and preserves the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.